Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing of the NewBeauty test tube summer box, as well as giving away one of these items to one of you. Cannot wait. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of June. It is the Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette. Super cute, colorful, love it. So to get your very own one of those brand new, look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter that one, as well as there's at least one other giveaway on there as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the video in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I'm filming 2 giveaways just today alone. So I do them a lot here on the channel. So what I have on my eyes today is the Glam Light Ice Cream Dream palette. And talk about colorful, but you could also do some neutrals in here too. Love it. So the NewBeauty test tube, from the people who do the NewBeauty magazine, the editors and everybody, they pick out and kind of curate a test tube. It used to come like in a tube looking box, so that's why they called it test tube. It is $59 per quarter. And we're giving away one of them to one of you, one of these items. So let's open it up and find out what's in here. So I love that they give a QR code instead of a booklet. That way you can just look it up on your phone. You guys, this is jammed packed with stuff. So NewBeauty says, this is the next generation of beauty sampling. Get ready to discover the latest and greatest full-size products valued at $350. Remember, you only paid $59 for this box. It's delivered 4 times a year right to your doorstep. So the first thing in here I am super excited about. It is the Wander Beauty On the Glow Blush Illuminizer. Does retail for $38. The multitasking blush and illuminizer stick is your one-stop destination for a full glam look in minutes. It can be used on your cheeks, lips, eyes, and body, streamlining your beauty routine and helping you do more with less. With cream color on one end and a buildable illuminator on the other, it keeps you gorgeous from the office to the after party. So mine is in this sheer base and nude glow. Looks like this. So this is going to be your illuminator. Pretty, just right here. And you could easily put this as a shimmer over your eyes too. And then we have this cheek lip thing here. It's kind of this coral peach. It's really, really pretty. Let's blend that one out. Ooh, that's really pretty, you guys. Love it. Let's put that little illuminator on top of it and see what that looks like. And there's it with the illuminator on top. So, so pretty. I love this one. This is a repeat one. I know it's been in the box before and I absolutely love it. So you will find that most of the items in the NewBeauty box are skincare related. They'll throw in a hair care every once in a while and some makeup items. This is kind of an in-between. This is the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. This stuff works, you guys. It works. So this retails for $68. Powered by proprietary lash complex. This ophthalmologist tested beauty breakthrough from the #1 lash and brow serum brand is in the country is proven to promote the appearance of longer, thicker, and healthier looking lashes in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. Being the most studied cosmetic lash serum on the market, it safely enhances the appearance of natural lashes while conditioning, nourishing, and hydrating delicate lash fibers. I love this one. I'm stoked about this. There's some really good things in here. Barber Collagen Firming Ampules. They retail for $50. There's 7 of them in here. Encased in innovative glass ampule packaging, this serum proves that good things do come in small packages. The supercharged formula helps improve elasticity, support natural collagen production, and decrease the appearance of wrinkles. It's helped me a lot with that. You guys, this is a good box. From Sweet Juicy Skin is a Soursop Vitamin C Serum, retails for $65. This gentle vitamin C serum from Aesthesia Curie's brand is infused with Soursop extract and green tea, helping to visibly brighten, firm, and hydrate and reveal the most radiant looking skin yet, just in time for this summer. It reduces redness, brightens dull skin, which I have, and prevents signs of premature aging, tackles dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and hydrates and soothes dry skin. Yes, yes, please. I know my skin doesn't look really dry right now because I do have underneath my foundation the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. That's why it kind of looks shiny and everything, because otherwise it'd be looking pretty dull. So can't wait to try that one. Earth Harbor Aqua or Reparative Eye Cream retails for $34. Inspired by the iridescent blue-green crystals known for healing and strengthening the eye, the eye cream is formulated with a powerhouse lineup of botanicals. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, sun damage under and around the eyes, resulting in a more youthful glow. So this is a Pour Moi Botanical Reversal Mask and Rose Moisture Mask. Retails for $42. The Botanical Reversal Mask is an elegant, high-performing blue light defining gel formula. It not only shades the skin from blue light emitted from our devices, but also delivers a noticeable lifelong effect with just 2 minutes of daily use. The Rose Moisture Mask is an ultra-luxe, high-performing gel formula that's rich in active ingredients known to brighten skin, creating that lit from within glow and lasts for days. It also protects from external stress caused by pollution. From EOS Cashmere Shave Oil, retails for $8.99. Crafted with the most naturally moisturizing and protective butters, this luxurious shave oil gives you a cashmere smooth shave all over and velvety soft skin for hours after. The pH Balance gynecologist approved formula takes your everyday shower to new heights. It leaves skin nourishing and stretched in a dreamy vanilla cashmere fragrance. From NatureLab Tokyo is a perfect clean 2-in-1 scalp scrub and clarifying shampoo. It does retail for $19. Impaired by ancient Japanese ritual of sake cleansing, this 2-in-1 scrub shampoo exfoliates, clarifies, and cleanses, working like a treatment, but in a way that is color safe and gentle enough for daily use. That's pretty cool. I don't color my hair anymore, but from Monica Blender's Hotline Lip Liner, retailing for $32. A must-have for those who want a long-lasting, natural-looking lip liner. The creamy formula applies smoothly. It's easier than ever to get a defined line that smudges resistance while enhancing your natural lip shape. Expect a fuller-looking pout, and it also layers beautifully with the lipstick and the gloss. Didn't come with any lipstick or gloss in this one, just this. I got it in the shade Nancy. It looks like this. She's really, really pretty. The last item in here is from the Cleanest Lab. Leave-In Conditioner Spray retails for $16. Silicone-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, and vegan. This leave-in conditioner provides instant hydration, detangles. Yes, I need detangling. Fights frizz. Yes, we need frizz help. Delivers shine. I need that. And leaves hair feeling silky soft, whether you air dry your hair or heat style. It provides a weightless, silky finish that absorbs quickly and will not leave unwanted residue. I kind of want to try that though. It sounds pretty good. Let's do giveaway that EOS Cashmere Smooth Skin. I just have a different routine when I do my shaving, so it doesn't collect dust here. I'd much rather pass that on to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel. So only fill out the form once, but you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you did actually do them, because I don't want you guys to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. It's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with family, friends, social media accounts. It really means the world to me when you guys do it. It really helps out the channel, and so I wanted a way to give back to say thank you so much, because I truly, truly appreciate that. YouTube is no way affiliated with us. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. It truly makes me happy when I can make somebody else happy. You must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am then responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have the giveaway go through July 5th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on July 10th, what I will do is I will take, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on the forms, on the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, take the first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. It's just a way to help me to mail out the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!